Hey, this is Bill, checking in with Paul McWhorter's homework 33 assignment. I posted something a little prematurely. I was up just stupid late uh, doing the homework assignment, and I was using the API website to supply the temperature, and that was pretty short-sighted. It worked for what it was delivering, and so I actually kind of decoupled that and started entering my own temperature ranges and found out there were a few that didn't work. I mean, you can see we've got a lot of conditions. There's 4 decision points for every color, so uh, there's 12 for any particular temperature that you have. Going in there. Also, Keith commented that the East Coast was going to push the envelope on my temperature range, so I increased the temperature range from -20 to 120 degrees. So that should really capture most of the world. And then, I just got rid of the website and did all the math. This is all the changes. You can see this was the same. Everything I did on paper was legit, to the best of my knowledge. Where I had troubles was I think there were 3 instances where I made a mistake in changing it from my work pages, the written work pages, to moving it over to Thani. For example, I forget which one it was, but where you have this y equals slope times x2 minus x1. I had the misplaced parentheses, so the order of operations was screwed up. It wasn't taking this quantity and multiplying it times the slope. It was taking the slope times HSV, then subtracting 60. And so, I print out a bazooka of stuff here, and all these, I was getting like a negative RGB, and, there was a goofy number would show up on some of the temperatures that I had. Also, another one is I had goofed up on this y-intercept as well on one of them. So anyways, I made a couple of changes, and just to show you that I can do it and it works, we're going to start this, and you can look at the LED. You can see it's going through the range of colors, and we're getting there. Okay, so that went through the whole spectrum. And then even though this goes fast, you can see, just look that none of these mixes are outside of 0 and 255. The temperature will go up from -20 to 120, and the HSV will go between 0 and 360 and never exceed that. Even though it goes fast, it's easy to check. That's why I print this stuff. So you can see down here, I'm not seeing any goofy numbers, and the LEDs changing. So this is actually correct coding for everything, and sorry for the mistake of something that I posted. It did the math, so it looked like it worked. See you Tuesday.